Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a square for my dominoes.
Alright, go ahead and proceed.
Okay. First I go up.
Up is, you're going what? Up and down is what? Vertical.
It's vertical.
Right? Start making it turn. How you gonna make it turn now?
By doing this. Make it turn and go horizontal. Now I'm going to make it turn and go down.
There you go. I think that was fine. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Let's see. Go. Oh no, okay. Well, something happened. The corner wasn't good. So go ahead and fix it. I told you, check those corners. Oh. Yes, that happens. Ready? So look at it first. Alright, let's go.
I'll start here.
No, start right there. Oh. You got to keep on trying. Try again. Nope, Kurt, bring it back out too much. Bring it back out.
Just pull it a little bit.
Might work. We'll see. Be careful you don't knock them down again. This
I'll start the green.
Okay, let's go.
It worked!
See, you did it.
Yep.
Third time was a charm. Alright, good job. So what are you going to tell you? Alright.
Bye.